When you first start learning about sets, the simplest and most visual way to represent them is called roster form, also known as tabular form. In this method, we list all the elements of a set directly, one after the other, inside curly braces. It's just like making a clean and organized list, where you can see all the elements clearly at a glance. This form is especially good for building a solid visual understanding of what a set contains. Let's go through a couple of examples. First, the set of vowels in the English alphabet. We write V equals braces A, E, I, or U. It's simple, direct, and easy to read. Now another example. Let set A be the set of natural numbers less than 6. Then we write A equals braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice, elements are separated by commas and the entire list is enclosed within curly brackets. There are a few key rules to remember. First, do not repeat elements. Even if something appears more than once, you only write it once. Second, the order of elements doesn't matter. For example, braces 1, 2, 3 is the same as braces 3, 2, 1. Let's try one more. Take the word school. Though the letter O appears twice, the set of letters is written as brace S, C, H, O, L, no duplicates. Roster form can even be used for infinite sets with one small adjustment. Since you can't list all the elements, you show the first few and then use 3 dots called an ellipsis to show that the list continues. For example, the set of all odd natural numbers is written as brace 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. This clearly tells the viewer that the pattern continues endlessly. Roster form also helps you recognize patterns easily. If I write the set braces 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, you can instantly tell that it's a set of even numbers. The pattern is visually obvious, and that's one of the great advantages of this form. So, roster form is not just for listing, it also trains your brain to see sequences and structures quickly. Roster form is perfect when you're working with small sets. The elements are easy to list. You're in the early stages of learning and need maximum clarity, but if a set is too large or follows a complex rule, writing all elements becomes impractical. That's where we move to set builder form, which we'll explore next. For now, just remember, roster form is your go-to method when you want to spell out every element clearly and completely.